Welcome back to Davil AI Matrix, where we explore the bleeding edge of artificial intelligence technology and cinematic video creation tools. Most AI video generators today only animate a single image, leaving creators frustrated with disjointed clips that lack true narrative flow. Enter Movie Flow, a revolutionary cinematic engine designed to transform your scattered ideas and static images into complete professional feature films. This is not just another simple animation tool. It is a comprehensive workspace allowing directors to control every single visual aspect. Let us dive deep into the Alchemix feature, which stands as the most significant breakthrough within this powerful creative software suite. Unlike standard tools, where Alchemix allows you to combine multiple distinct input images to create a cohesive and unified storytelling visual experience. Imagine taking a portrait of a detective, then selecting a separate image of a dark, rainy city street as your background. Now add a third image of a mysterious vintage suitcase and ask the AI to weave these elements into one scene. The engine intelligently merges them, keeping the character consistent while placing him in that exact environment, holding the specific prop naturally. It generates professional camera angles and cinematic movements, making the final output look like it was shot by a human crew. Moving on to the asset library, Movie Flow provides a massive database of pre-built resources to speed up your production workflow. You can browse through extensive categories including Asian aesthetics, Western styles, or futuristic cyberpunk themes to find the perfect visual tone. A unique feature here is the ability to establish your own creative DNA by training the system on specific character faces. And this ensures that your main protagonist looks exactly the same across every single scene, solving the consistency problem in AI video. For those who need speed without sacrificing quality, the Templates section offers ready-made structures for various types of professional video projects. Whether you are creating a music video, an educational explainer, or a high-end commercial advertisement, there is a template available now. These templates are fully customizable, allowing you to inject your unique style while maintaining a solid narrative structure for the audience. Let us look at the advanced technical capabilities, starting with the automatic conversion from vertical phone formats to horizontal cinematic ratios. The AI intelligently outpaints the edges, filling in the missing details to transform a TikTok video into a widescreen movie format. Another game-changing feature is the ability to generate long-form content, like extending videos up to 6 minutes instead of just seconds. This allows for complex storytelling where scenes flow naturally into one another without the jarring cuts found in older generation models. For creators who love the surreal, fantasy mode is designed specifically for romantic, dreamlike, or impossible visual concepts and imaginative stories. This mode includes an auto-script feature that helps write the narrative for you, perfectly matching the ethereal visuals it generates automatically. To summarize the workflow, you start with your concept, select your assets or upload images, and let Alchemix blend them together. Then utilize the advanced camera controls to direct the action, ensuring the lighting and composition match your original artistic vision perfectly. The interface is intuitive enough for beginners to grasp quickly, yet powerful enough for professional filmmakers to use for storyboarding concepts. Compared to other tools on the market, Movie Flow offers superior control over object consistency and environmental blending in complex scenes. It empowers you to become a one-person film studio, removing the barriers of expensive equipment, actors, and location scouting logistics entirely. As AI technology continues to evolve, tools like this are redefining the boundaries of what is possible in independent digital filmmaking. Imagine creating a full music video for your band or a promotional short film for your business in just one afternoon. The time saved on rendering and editing allows you to focus more on the story and the emotional impact of visuals. Join the growing community of creators who are already using Movie Flow to produce award-winning short films and viral social content. I highly recommend downloading the software and experimenting with the Alchemix feature first to see how it handles your image inputs. Remember to curate your asset library carefully, as high-quality input images will always result in better and more realistic video outputs. Movie Flow is truly a comprehensive cinematic engine that bridges the gap between static imagination and dynamic moving storytelling on screen. Thank you for watching this deep dive into the future of cinema. We hope you feel inspired to create something amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Davil AI Matrix for more tutorials. See you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.